Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 970 and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your device. First we need to open the menu, and to do that press and hold the up button. Once the menu opens, scroll down and tap on the watch settings. And here, scroll down and find the option called Display and Brightness, and then tap on it, of course. Now, find the option called Timeout, and tap on it. And right here we have the list of durations. We have 4 seconds, 8 seconds, and 15 seconds. I'm gonna select 15 seconds. You can select whatever you like, and then you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And now my screen will turn off automatically after 15 seconds of inactivity. So if I won't touch the screen or the buttons for 15 seconds, the screen will turn off to save power, and it should be quite soon. I would say, yeah, right now. Okay, and that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.